I dropped my phone. I dropped my phone. I burned the food. I burned the food. I found some money. I found some money. I missed the bus. I missed the bus. I passed the test. I passed the test. I forgot my keys. I forgot my keys.
I take a shower. I take a shower.
I take my dog outside.
I take my dog outside. I take the bus to school. I take the bus to school.
This avocado is past its prime. This avocado is past its prime. This egg is rotten. This egg is rotten. This celery is wilted. This celery is wilted.
I take a photo of my friend. I take a photo of my friend.
I take a taxi home.
I take a taxi home.
I bought some food. I bought some food.
I failed the test. I failed the test.
I hurt my leg. I hurt my leg.
I take the stairs.
I take the stairs.
I take my tea with sugar. I take my tea with sugar.
I take my keys with me before I leave. I take my keys with me before I leave.
This meat is expired. This meat is expired. This bread is stale. This bread is stale. This fish smells off. This fish smells off. This lettuce is slimy. This lettuce is slimy. This cheese is moldy. This cheese is moldy.